Hello guys, my name is Prince and this is Math Center. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Post your comments and questions on my social media handles and I'll respond to it. We are still on the topic linear inequalities. In the previous video, we looked at an example on solving type 4 of linear inequalities. In this video, we are going to consider another example. So let's look at the question for this video. We have 2 over 3 into bracket 3x minus 5 plus 3 into bracket x plus 2 is greater than 32 whole number 2 over 3. As I said, whenever the inequality involves a fraction, the first thing we need to do is to first identify the fractions in the inequality. So here the fractions are 2 over 3 and 32 whole number 2 over 3. Now, because we have a mixed fraction or a mixed number, your first step is to convert the mixed number or the mixed fraction to improper fractions. In the video on fractions, we learned how to do that. So that's the first thing you need to do here. So convert the mixed number or the mixed fraction to improper fraction. So you are going to convert 32 whole number 2 over 3 to improper fraction. Now, when you do that, you will see that it's going to give us 3 times 32 plus 2, and that will give us 98 then over 3. So we have our fraction the way that we want it. Now, after you are done with that, you find the LCM of the denominator. So here the two fractions are now 2 over 3 and 98 over 3. So you find the LCM of the denominators. The denominators are 3 and 3. LCM of 3 and 3 is 3. So we have our LCM. After you have the LCM, the next thing you need to do, so I'm going to clean this. Okay, so after you have the LCM, which is 3, so LCM here is 3. After you have the LCM, the next thing you need to do is to identify the terms in the inequality. The terms in the inequality. As I said, terms are separated by addition or subtraction. So here, this one here is a term since they are written together and there is no addition or subtraction between them. So this is one term. This one here is also a term. The reason being that this one here and this one here are being separated by addition. So this is one term, this is another term. Then when you come here, this one is also another term. So you have found the LCM. You have been able to identify the terms. The next step is that you multiply each term by the LCM. You multiply each term by the LCM. So this is what is going to happen. You are going to multiply this term here, which is 2 over 3 into bracket 3x minus 5 by the LCM, which is 3. Then when you come here, you multiply this term, which is 3 into bracket x plus 3 by the LCM, which is 3. So 3 times this term. Then you multiply this term also by 3. I hope that is clear. So from here, you cancel out. So if you are canceling out, you can see that if you are canceling out here, you can see that 3 will cancel 3, then this 3 will also cancel this 3, which will give us, here will be 1, so 1 times 2, which is 2, then into brackets 3x minus 5, so we have that there. So 1 times 2, which is 2 into bracket 3x minus 5, plus 3 times 3 is 9, so 9 into bracket x plus 2, then 3 will cancel itself here, so we are going to have 98. Now you see this becomes like type 3 of linear inequalities. So you open the brackets and you simplify. So you are going to have 2 times 3x, which will give us 6x. 2 times minus 5 will give us minus 10. 9 times x will give us 9x. 9 times 2 will give us 18. It's greater than or equal to 98. So we group like terms. Luckily for us, both 6x and 9x are on this side, so we take the numbers to the other side. So 6x plus 9x greater than or equal to 98 is already here. Now 10 is negative. When it crosses to this side, it becomes positive, so plus 10. 18 is positive. When it crosses to that side, it becomes negative, so minus 18. 6x plus 9x will give us 15x. 98 plus 10 minus 18 will give us 90. From here, what do? We divide through by the number attached to the variable. So we divide through by 15. So we're going to have 15x divided by 15 greater than or equal to 90 divided by 15. 15 will cancel itself. So we are going to have x here. 90 divided by 15 will give us 6. So the solution to this inequality is x is greater than or equal to 6. Thank you very much for watching this video on linear inequalities. See you in the next video where we take another question on solving type 4 of linear inequalities. Bye bye.